Don't break it, McGann! Hey there, family members! You have McGann and I have my first ever Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I think I said that right. I've already broken the seal, but I have not looked inside yet. I have not seen any spoilers. Oh! Okay, I needed this today. Don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you. Like, I'm not gonna get into a bunch of drama right now, but yeah, it's just something. I really appreciate that. I needed to hear that. Alright, we have one... No, wait, is this our spoiler? Okay, I think that's our spoiler thing, so let's not look at it. Okay, I'm just gonna take it all out one at a time over here, because, well, no, I'm not. Now, I've already grabbed two things, so let's just empty the whole box. Why not? We make it up as we go. So it looks like I have 3 of something. It looks like they're all the same bubble sheet oxygenating deep cleansing mask. And these are by Glam Glow in Hollywood, California. Green tea leaf teoxy? I don't really know what that is. Glow, oxygenate, detoxify, purify, face makeup removal, and then everything again in French. Okay, I do love me a good face mask, so I'm excited to try this out. And I've got 3 of them, which is like, wow, that's at least $6. Okay, that's $6 by my normal Walmart price, so these are probably like $50 for 3 masks or something crazy high. Yinsa Color and Face Tone Up Primer Essential Glow with 8 Super Blacks Essence. I don't know what that means, so let's look at that. I mean, I know what primer is, or at least I do as of February of this year. Had no idea before that. But okay, yeah, looks like it is a primer. I still don't know what Super Blacks are. Am I reading that right? Maybe it says super blocks, but I don't know. It looks like an A to me. I'm old people eyes. I don't know. Oh, okay, here's the 8. It's the black sesame oil, black seaweed, shiitake mushroom, black tea, black rice, Korean black raspberry, China seed, and nettly? I don't know. But yes, always need good top-notch primer. Hopefully this is it. Oh, that's cute in the packaging. I love it when they do little extra bits. Okay, meaning of yen, Chinese, color and face. English, deep desire and passion. Vietnamese, calm and peaceful. Japanese is currency. So yeah, they call their dollar the yen. So, yinsa, color and face. Awesome. So far, these are perfect items for me. I don't know if this is tailor-made for every individual person, but these are exactly things I would want. Now there's Ilamasca coloring pencil lip, and then in French I don't know, I'm not sure about that, but oh, we've got 2 of them actually. Colors are Lust and Media. Let's take a peek. Let's get you out of here. Maybe. Man, they're really good. And that's not a complaint. Like, thank you for the good packaging, because you don't want things knocking around and breaking loose. Okay, this lighter pink is the media. So, crayon à lèvres. All I know about French is that you cut off the end of most words. Let's do a little bit. Oh, that goes on pretty smoothly. And it does look like a normal type of pencil where you'd put it in some type of beauty sharpener to keep going with it. So there's no like twisty bit to make it keep coming out. And then the darker color is Lust. Let's see. Okay, yeah, that's pretty well matching. I mean, no complaints. I don't really have a lot of lip liners, which I assume that's what these are. I assume I'm not supposed to like fill in my whole lip like a sketch, but alright, yep. Il Maquillage Icon High Volume and Intense Curl Mascara, made in Italy. And you may be hearing my toddler screaming bloody murder in the background. He's fine, I just wouldn't let him come in here, so he's furious. And what do you look like? Oh, I gotta say this applicator is interesting. It's got a little bit different of a shape to it and a little different texture than most mascaras. So I will be happy to give that a try, although I am getting pretty high up on mascaras, so I could do without some mascaras for a couple months. And finally we have Wander Beauty Wanderness Seascape. Or I'm sorry, Wanderess Seascape. And it says it's an eyeshadow palette. Look how pretty that packaging is. Ah, it's all sealed up. No. No. Come on. Okay, for real, you can have gorgeous packaging, but if I've got to destroy it to get into it, it's not a great design. That was like super sticky tape. Needlessly sticky tape. Okay, so we've got pretty much the same design. I do love the ocean waves on this. I like the little sort of burgundy color in the middle. And whoo, we've got a little mirror, which I adore for having. Hi everybody! I love having that with my eyeshadows, and our colors are Champagne Harbor, Sea Salt, Golden Reef, which I thought for a second that said Golden Beef, like wait a minute, Sand Dollar, Seafoam, and Coastal. And I am just gonna do some little switchity swatches. It's pretty soft. We have some good pigment color. Ooh, it actually goes on pretty well. Try Sea Salt. Sea Salt's not giving me as much. Well, it stacks okay. Golden Reef. Oh wow, that one is deep. Let's see. Ooh, I like that. That's like a bronze. It says gold, but I swear that feels like a bronze to me. Sand Dollar, which looks like a mattier one. Seafoam, and that one looks gold. Yeah, that looks like super gold to me. Ooh, I really like that one. Okay, and all my fingers are dirty. I'm gonna try to use my clean side of this finger for Coastal. Ooh, look at the shimmer on that. Gorgeous. I guess I'll put it on the top. Ooh, it comes out almost black though. What the what? Oh, that's weird. It's like navy-ish, but it's really like almost black. Neat. And here's our final look at all of what was in the Glam Bag Plus for, what is this, May 2019. Sometimes I get things so late in the month, it's like, wait, what month are we in now? We have 6 really soft and nicely pigmented eyeshadows, 2 what I think are lip liners, the mascara, the primer, which is so expensive, I bet you that is most of our fee alone, and then 3 of the Glam Glow bubble sheets. I'm gonna be trying that out later, so we'll see how that goes. And just to check the list really quick and make sure we're not missing anything, sometimes it happens. Lip coloring pencil, $21 each, so that's $42. Wander Beauty Wondrous Seascape Eyeshadow Palette, $25, so $67. Yensa Tone Up Primer Essential Glow, $35. That takes us to $102. Then Il Maquillage Mascara, $25. What were we at? 102, so that would be 127. And then Glam Glow Bubble Sheets, oh man, 3 for $27. My goodness. So $154 in the May 2019 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, which I believe costs like $25 plus tax, something roughly in that range. I do have an affiliate link in the description below. They don't give me cash, but they give me points or something I can use to pick up more makeup. I really like this, so I think I'm gonna keep the Glam Bag Plus. I might not stay with the regular Ipsy size samples. We'll see how it goes. Like, we'll see what this month looks like and I'll decide. But thank you again, everybody, for watching. You've been listening to McGann Ramble On, and we'll see you next time, family members.